So I wanted to make a video on mounting a Ubiquiti Unifi U6-PRO wireless access point to my ceiling grid, and you will need a couple things. You'll need the hardware kit along with the mounting plate, and I'm going to be doing the T-bar mounts, so I'm going to use holes B, and they need to be spaced roughly 3 inches apart according to the documentation. And with these little T-bar clips, you need to remove the 2 set screws before installing, just to make your life easier. You can back them out and loose them slightly, but what's going to end up happening is if you don't have them back out far enough, they're either going to catch or they're just going to tear the paint up on your grid. Oops. So I'm just going to spin this on here like so. There's some little foam pads that press up against the ceiling grid. Alright, I just need to slide these over as much as I don't want to. Those kind of help put some back pressure, hold it in place. There we go. So you have to compress those before you twist it onto the grid. It's kind of tricky. There we go. Making a mess. So now that I got that one in place, I'm going to install the other one, which is going to require me to remove those set screws as well temporarily. I'm going to collect them in my hardware kit and hope to God I don't lose them. And I'm just going to use this as a eyeball test. So I need to be about right there. Oops. If I was smart, I would have like a ruler or something I can measure it with. If there's a little bit of give. So, oh, that is way too far back. I think it's about right up there. Let's get that in place. Yeah, perfect. So, as I almost just caused my set screws to go flying, I connect this the rest of the way. I don't know if my grid metal is screwy or if these are just tight to twist on, but you might have to push on it with some force. And now that it's mounted, I'm going to put these set screws back in, and that'll help lock it into place so it can't slide around. You don't need them super tight, but you need them tight enough to push on the grid. Now, in most cases, you're going to have to poke a hole in the grid somewhere, or not the grid, the ceiling tiles to run your cable. In my case, there's no grid in the portion where I'm pointing the opening of the access point to. So, cable's just going to come through the grid. One of those downsides or upsides of having a building that's not very nice. And I'm going to put the screw through the hole here for B, for the T-bar mount. Try not to drop it. Just line it up like so. Get it mostly tight, not all the way tight, because I need to line up the other hole still. And there we go. Now that those are tightened, a little wobble to it. I think that's more so the grid that's wobbling though than the mounts. Yeah. So I can put these ceiling tiles back now. Hold things in place. And hopefully this will sit nice and flat once I have weight on both ends. Flat enough. Spider escaped from the ceiling. Alright, so I need the dust cover now for this. Not that it really matters. Now that I have the dust cover, I should be able to carefully feed this cable through it. The opening's not quite big enough. I think it's intended to install the cable and then terminate it, but yeah, got it on there. And I'm going to plug this into my access point, like so. And then this kind of just goes back in place like here. And then there's a trick to aligning it that I don't know. There's a little arrow there on the side that points at something. But basically this little locking springy thing here locks onto this. So it's just a matter of lining up these tabs correctly, which is easier said than done. Just making sure I'm in frame. There we go. So now that's mounted, and I get the fun of putting my other ceiling grid back in and getting showered with dust and mouse poop and other fun stuff, because that's what lives above the ceiling of every building I've ever been owned or been in. Oh, free insulation. And yeah, good to go now. I have a bunch of ceiling dust to vacuum out, but there's no grid here, so cable's gonna be exposed. But otherwise, yeah, that looks nice, and it's mounted now, so I'm pretty happy about that. Not the best tutorial, but hopefully you found it helpful, and thanks for watching.